Alright guys, this is part 2. Super lazy. Like I said, I'm really to live streaming. I hate fucking editing. On the other channel, PSG Skills 325, that's where we edit all the videos. We do a lot of music, gaming, stuff like that. So follow that channel if you really want the good meat and bones. But this is what we ended up getting. Just so raw. So part 2 of the TV. She's pretty much complete. Remember, this is a prototype, so all of the final models that everybody will end up getting will be different. But this is pretty much what it's going to be. Got your TV with your buttons. 9 times out of 10, your menu buttons will stop working once you get it. I don't know why, we're still figuring that out. Ribbon cable, so pretty much how this is the Lenovo has a port. If you watch video 1, it has its own ribbon cable for the screen. So ribbon cable comes out of the screen, comes up, feeds in here, tucks around, goes into the video port or video slot, and then whatever, same thing. You got the HDMI that comes out, and it's male to female. So obviously you plug in your PS5, your Switch, any of that type of stuff, it goes in there. And then this is your power cord. It can do VGA, but if you lose your button controls, then, oh, that was right the first time, then you don't have that ability anymore. So case goes on. Plug it in, turn it on. Oops. And voila, there you go. Now obviously the screen is cracked. We used a broken monitor to try for the first one. The real versions will have their own kickstands that will flip out. And then we obviously have to still work on speakers and stuff. But yeah, just, you got an old laptop, old laptop screen. This is a great way to kind of get use of some of that stuff that you have, and use it as a second screen. You need one for your PC. A lot of people have 2 screens. You don't have 2 screens. This might be the way for you. You got a broken laptop in the house. Put one of these boards together, comment down below, and we'll show you how to make them, and you can get in touch, and yeah, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Remember, please like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 50 subs. Yeah, thank you. And if everybody likes this video, we will actually make the detailed version of part 2.